Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk one of the latest interview questions that were asked, and this question was shared by one of my friend. And so let's understand this question first, and then we'll see how we can do or provide the solution. So as you can see, we have a list having multiple elements. So there are four elements in this list. So three employee objects and one null as a value, right? So if you see employee 1 having ID 3, name Syam, salary this one. Employee 2 having ID 1, name Raju, salary 2500, and again employee 2 ID 1, name Raju, salary 2500. Let's say this is employee 3. Okay. Now the requirement is write a program to list out unique elements or unique employee in ascending order from above employee list without null value. Hope this is clear. So, and this is the expected output like employee list. So we have to print like employee 2 for whose ID is 1, name Raju, salary 2500, and the another employee whose ID is 3, name Syam, and salary 2000, right? So let's break. So I have already break based on this questions. So what it is saying, first employee object, right? Unique employee objects we have to find out, and then it should be in the ascending order, and then no null objects, right? So this will be our filtered employee list. So how to achieve this? So this will be seen in the coding sections, but first let's understand what approach we have to follow, right? So since this we have to give the solution in Java 8 stream API, right? So first we have to filter out this null value, right? So when we are streaming these list elements, list of employee object, then we have to uh, uh, filtered out this null value from this employee list. Okay, let's see the solution in the next video. Thank you.